last part. Here we go. And in case I didn't upload the video where I did these two, I accidentally deleted it and I can't really do it again. So we're just gonna go to the boss fight. And I already know how the boss fight goes, so it's gonna be not really easy because the boss is really hard. Yeah, there's the boss. Reach the light. Go. Oh man! I really hope I get Super Cat. That'd be really helpful right now. Season 2 in like 2026. I think I'm gonna make it like today. I don't know. Give me Super Cat. Let's go. Whee! The light! Holy! Wait, how do you get it? Oh yeah, with Ollie, of course. But yeah. That is it. There's no more here, and I've completed the game. It's gonna be season 2, so stay tuned for that. Bye!